Len, did you see those people that stole the name tags and put it on the billboards?
Hey, what are you talking about, Moko?
What's the news?
Whānau, welcome back to 3 Chat News. Today we got some stone nuggets around Aotearoa trying to post up our nanny on the billboards. Anyway, what are you up to, cuz, on your way? Yeah, cuz, we're down here at the Algae Clubs. Yeah, time to take our Māori ward. So, bro, what's your name?
Rere.
Where are you from?
Whānau.
And what are you up to down here?
We'll be coming down to support our local initiatives and try and get our whānau off their bumps to go and vote for Māori wards. So,
What should we do about it then?
Well, Moko, hoki ki te ukaipo. We need to go back to our whenua.
You are an army, so big, so full, so hearty, but I am a waterfall, so how doth thou harm me? I'm washing you all over, even though you don't like the sound. I wash your feet, your shoulders. You bring fire, but I bring